up, everybody? I got some updates on the tractor projects from the videos we've been making here lately, and there's been a few setbacks. So number one, I was just getting done finishing filming up the D17 power steering repair series, and when I went to go edit the footage, I noticed we had some camera issues with the camera not saving all of the video footage from it. So I'm going to try and take what I got and throw it all together, and hopefully there's enough footage I can still make a good video of the repair of the control valve as well as putting the whole thing back on the tractor. And I kind of rushed putting it back on the tractor because we had snow coming and I wanted to plow the driveway with it, which I did start to do, but after about running for 10 minutes the radiator sprung a leak. And again, I could throw a flashback clip in here. Alright, so we're not even 5 minutes into this project and I'm already seeing other stuff that bugs me. So let's talk about it. First of all, radiator. Rough. See if we can find a new one for that. So, Past Jack was right. However, I thought I would get more than 10 minutes worth of use out of it. My bad. So that leaves me with a couple of decisions on the D17. Do I just fix the radiator and hope it works and nothing else goes wrong? Well, that's not the way I like to do things. And I've decided that at this point the best thing for me to do is just set that tractor aside for the time being, rely on some of the other equipment I have, and do a proper full restore with paint and everything on it. Because with the loader project that was going on it, one thing that bugged me with that loader was the paint didn't match, and the only way to make it match was to paint the tractor and the loader. Because if I painted the loader, it would look a lot shinier and newer than the tractor. But with doing the full restoration on it, that's going to happen now. So stay tuned for more of that. But in the meantime, I did not want to undertake that massive of a project without first finishing the good old D2 here. So there's going to be a lot more of this coming up soon. I went to the cat dealer yesterday. I got a small parts haul from there, so there's going to be some major stuff going on. The pinion engagement arm, which was the main cause of all our issues on this tractor, is at the weld shop right now, getting some weld put on there. Hopefully over Christmas I'll be able to machine it back down to spec and get that all nice and pretty and ready to go. I went down by a friend of mine today and we whipped up a socket to do the injectors so we can take the head off and check and make sure none of the cylinders are none of the pistons are coming unscrewed. Big thanks to Squatch253. If you don't know about his channel, I don't know how you found my channel first, but he knows everything there is to know about D2s. Big thanks to him for making the video on how to make that socket. I pretty much just followed that to the number and it worked out great. So basically what's going on here is things didn't go as planned the last couple weeks, but I do still have a lot of footage from some other small projects around the farm. Like I said, I'm going to try and salvage the footage I can from the tractor repairs. Joanne's got some footage that hopefully we can scrounge up to. I don't know where it is. It's on one of the cards somewhere. So there's going to be lots more good stuff coming. Stay tuned. And if I don't put any more videos up for the rest of the year, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thanks for watching, guys.